tried to get a deal with the Philippine Eagle Foundation, and they're going to name an eagle after us, High School Class 61. But more important than that, they're going to designate High School Class 61 to be the high school class to deal with the succeeding classes who want to support the Philippine Eagle. Now, the naming rights will cost ₱1 million, and commitments from 6 people who will contribute direct to the Eagle Foundation. No? And we need 4 more, and it's basically divided by 2 per class. And so those of you who are contributing to the fund can do so through Amboy, search, you know. But the others who want to contribute directly to the fund can also do so. They're going to tally the target, and but I told them that we're going to cap it at $1 million because we want to support the Jesuits also, and the other projects of the class. So that's basically it. The more important thing is the class will be the one to be the custodian of the Philippine Eagle in the future. No? Let's say the high school class 62 wants to do the same thing. They will work with us. No? And I'm waiting for the documents from them. We'll give them the deposits. If the funds are not enough, we'll let Amboy and Serge, no? By the way, for the record, Sunny Dominguez went to, he's now in Portland, but he left me the check, and I gave it to the boss of Amboy, to Nini. You gave that to Serge. You got the check of Sunny Dominguez? Yeah, okay. So I don't know what it includes, but he specifically asked me to give it to you guys before he left. So if there are any questions, I'd be happy to answer questions. Now, there have been some suggestions also, and this is not an original idea. We used to have it before. Sambeda does it regularly, the Red Ball, no? And I don't want to speak too soon, but we are all following the basketball, no? Hopefully, our golden anniversary will have a 4-peat, no? Yeah. And if we have a 4-peat, following from the proposal of Jack Fernandez, kanina I was telling Jovi and I, maybe, no? I mean, contingent on winning, no? Our class can host a blue ball, no? And the concept is you sell by table, you get RJ to play. You distribute the coaching staff, and Oscar can help there, Rafi, the regulars here. Sana we could get the help also of Monri and Atom, but Lasal was disqualified, no? The Final Four, diba? Biro lang. Si Atom at si Monri at ako.
Sino nag-disqualify?
Lasal. Well, we have to talk to RJ, no? Anyway, that would be a good fundraiser for the class.
They should call JB. What was the JB?
Nakikinig naman si Jimmy. Nasa si Jimmy. Jimmy's here, and I will tell Jimmy's boss, Becky. Becky, paalala mo ating Jimmy. No, that's a good point. If RJ can host it, well, I don't know. I'm not RJ, no. I cannot commit pro bono. But that's an idea. I'm just spinning from your idea, Jovi and I, because unique yan. You want something which no other class will have. So, of course, we have to wait. No? Dahil hilaw naman yung blue ball, tapos number 2 tayo. So, that's all, Mr. Chairman, and I'm glad to see you back in harness. We miss you, Governor. So, and welcome to all of you who come here, and thank you again to 4C. Salamat.